Hi there. In case you're looking for some help on how to adjust the heat and AC modes and the temperature settings on the Ecobee Smart Thermostat inside the house, here's a quick tutorial on how to navigate this system. It is a touchpad control, so you just have to tap on it and it will adjust some things for you. Right now it's reading 71 degrees inside the house. I have it set on the AC setting. You can tell that up here by the snowflake. And the temperature is set to 72 degrees and holding. We want it to say whatever degree you have it set at and holding, because it will then hold the temperature inside the house at that temperature. So if I want to, let's say I want it to be cooler inside the house on the AC, I'm gonna tap on that 72 and I'm gonna tap and drag my finger down to adjust the temperature down. So just tap and then I'm gonna drag it down to 68 degrees. And then if you want to go higher, then just tap and drag it up. If you reach the top, you just kind of have to let go and then reset and then go up again. And that adjusts the temperature. Now it says 75 degrees and holding. Let's say I want to switch into the heat mode. We just tap on that snowflake up here. This is the modes. Just tap there. It gives you a different menu, and there you can switch to the heat mode. Now it says 75 degrees and holding for the heat. If I want to adjust that because it's too warm inside the house, then I just drag the temperature down and you can just hold it and it will actually keep scrolling down. If I want to go higher, then I just drag it up. Sometimes you have to let go and reset your finger. Go a little higher. And that's how you switch between the modes up here, and then the temperature, just tap and drag up and down. Hopefully this video helps you get started with the Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Thanks for watching.